afternoon. Excuse me, could you help me?
Good afternoon. Sure. What do you need?
I'm looking for the village head house. Do you know where it is?
Yes, I do. Are you walking or riding a motorcycle?
I'm walking.
Alright, go straight along this road until you see a small mosque on your right. After that, turn left.
Okay. Turn left the mosque then.
Walk for about 200 meters. The village head house is the one of the blue roof and a big mango tree in front of it.
Got it. Is it far from here?
No at all, just about 10 minutes on foot.
Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. Good luck.